Now I am starting with barcode. Alteryx likely includes tools for reading and processing barcodes within images or documents. These tools can extract barcode information, such as product codes, serial numbers, or tracking IDs, from scanned images or digital documents. Then next, image input. Alteryx provides tools for importing images into workflows. Users can load images from local files or external sources, such as databases or web URLs, to perform various image processing and analysis tasks. Then next, image output. Alteryx allows users to save processed images or generate visualizations as output. Users can export images to various formats, such as JPEG, PNG, or TIFF, for further analysis, reporting, or sharing. Then next, image processing. Alteryx offers a range of image processing tools for manipulating and analyzing images. These tools may include functions for resizing, cropping, rotating, filtering, enhancing, and correcting image attributes to improve image quality or extract relevant information. Then next, image profile. Image profiling tools in Alteryx enable users to extract metadata and descriptive statistics from images. This information may include image dimensions, file format, color space, pixel intensity distribution, and other characteristics useful for image analysis and understanding. Then next, image recognition. Alteryx likely supports image recognition techniques, such as object detection or image classification, using machine learning models. These tools can identify and classify objects or patterns within images, enabling automated image analysis and interpretation. Then next, image template. Image templates in Alteryx allow users to define predefined layouts or formats for images. These templates can streamline image processing workflows by standardizing image dimensions, resolutions, or other attributes according to specific requirements. Then next, image to text. Alteryx provides tools for extracting text from images using optical character recognition, OCR, technology. These tools can convert text embedded within images or scanned documents into machine-readable text data for further analysis or processing. Then next, PDF to text. Alteryx includes tools for extracting text content from PDF documents. These tools can convert PDF files into plain text format, allowing users to extract information from PDFs for analysis, indexing, or integration with other data sources. Thanks for watching.